Let's play.
I'm so tired.
It's morning. If you play together, you won't feel tired.
Okay, then I'll get ready.
Let's go! We are all the best.
I'm the best.
No, I'm the best.
Stop! DogDay.
Catnap?
Sorry. I broke your precious cup.
Are you okay?
I'm not hurt. DogDay. He must have been very angry. It was his favorite cup.
Catnap, thank you for taking the courage to apologize. I'm fine, so don't worry. Catnap.
Hey, wait.
Don't cry and stay inside. I'm sorry. I forgot about Onion. I'm sorry. It was my mistake.
No, I'm more sorry.
What does that mean? Nice nap-nup.
Wonder what he wants these photos for.
Tada! Fashion magazine in.
What the?
Oh, hi, I'm DogDay. My friend Catnap hasn't appeared for a week, so I picked flowers to bring to his house. I thought I should ask him a little. I think I remember it's going to rain today. I should hurry up. Hope he will be okay. Catnap. Catnap! Thanks.
I don't know where you're going to use it, but I brought what you asked me to do.
After a while.
Catnap? What are you doing?
I can't move.
I'm thirsty. Yeah.
DogDay, here's milk.
Catnap!
Cute.
Hey, do you know where the milk is? That's past its expiration date.
I don't know.
Catnap! I need your help! I can't sleep, so I need to use up energy.
I watch over you, sinners.
Hoppy, we have to go get the gifts now.
Okay. Hey, Catnap, Kickin' and I are gonna... Catnap? Catnap.
Come on.
Come, let's go get the gifts.
Yeah? Okay.
What's 1006 got that I don't have? Don't you say legs! I know you're gonna say legs!
Legs!
Catnap, what you're doing is wrong. You're causing pain and suffering to everyone.
Your opinion is invalid.
You son of a... Don't worry, Moonbeam. We'll get through this.
Heretic, how would you like to join me for a lovely walk after the sermon today?
Hey. Sure, my priest. Have you always been this alluring? You know, there's really no need to patch me up.
No, I should have not played so rough with you. I'll retract my claws next time.
Come on. It's not like you severely ripped my stomach open and my guts are coming out. Ooh.
You know, shut up, stupid. Yuck!
Hi, Catnap.
Hey, DogDay, this is for you.
For me.
For my sunshine.
How did you know that sunflowers are my favorites?
I just guessed it, sunshine. DogDay, you called?
Yeah, come here. I got you some thing.
What is it?
Happy Valentine's Day, Catnap.
Ah! Thank you!
Valentine's Day, Catnap.
Thank you, DogDay.
I hope you like the Valentine I made for you.
I made a Valentine for you, too. Here! Happy Valentine's Day, DogDay. Is everything all right, DogDay? Oh.
A cucumber blessed with salted holy water.
Stay calm, stay calm, stay calm. My son, why don't you step out of that circle and we'll talk?
I'm staying in the circle.
D-Dug, you can't sit inside that circle forever. Talk to me, DogDay.
We'll talk if you get rid of that weird shrine.
No!
It's creeping everyone out.
What they arguing about?
Then I'm not leaving the circle.
Get out of that sword!
Hey, Catnap. Can you do that thing again? So cute! You shouldn't listen to the Catnap archetype. He just pitying you, Catnap. Huh?
It turns out that was a way to keep him quiet.
Later.
Damn. I wish he would talk more.
I'm so sorry. Not to them.
Not to
Not to them.
I can't breathe.
Poor little thing. You should rest. You are a mess. You will be fine with me. You are better here with me.
It's nice to see you here. Catnap.
I'm sorry for hurting you.
It's okay, Catnap. It's all over. I know you didn't mean to. But the most important thing is, we're still friends.
Thanks you, DogDay, as you said. Best friend forever. After all that, I'm finally done. I really hope he likes my gift.
And... done! He will defiantly love this. I wonder what he will give me. I wonder... You draw me?
Yeah.
This looks nice.
Thanks, you.
Catnap?
You smell good.
Thank you, Catnap. I'm going to open what it is.
You don't like my gift? Better get on, please.
By the way, I have a gift you. Wait. Here is you gift.
Thanks, DogDay. DogDay, what the fuck is this?
That? You don't like my gift? Catnap? Something's wrong? Crafty Corn? She's not doing well. I figured something was up. I'll check on her, thanks, Catnap. Anything for you, my friend? Oh, Catnap, you're too nice.
Thank you so much for helping me make a new painting, Bubba. You're the best friend a unicorn can have.